Introducing the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G in color Diamond Dazzle with 5G-enabled Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. The smartphone comes in 4 color variants of Diamond Dazzle, Jazz Blue, Tuscany Coral and Vinyl Black. You will get 2 memory options of 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The smartphone supports 12 5G bands. The Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G flaunts a 6.55 inches 10-bit Full HD Plus OLED Dot display. The panel has a 90Hz refresh rate that offers smooth transitions. You will also get Dolby Vision support for enhanced video output. The smartphone features a triple rear camera setup with 64-megapixel primary sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and 5-megapixel super macro sensor for all your picture-taking needs. You can take beautiful selfies with the 20-megapixel front camera. The smartphone runs on MIUI 12.5 OS based on Android 11, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Kryo 670 Octa-core processor with up to 2.4 GHz clock speed and built on 6nm technology. This Xiaomi smartphone allows you to do seamless multitasking and perform heavy gaming without any hassle. The 4250 mAh battery ensures that your smartphone offers long-lasting usage. You will also get 33-watt fast charging support that can provide 0 to 50% charge in just 20 minutes.